welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anthea and today I am going to be showing you a very special DIY facial cream that is effective in removing acne scars and dark spots, hyperpigmentation. It helps to fight acne and it is also anti-aging. It contains 100% natural ingredients and it is going to work wonders on your skin. Please stay tuned. Let me briefly talk about the star ingredient of this DIY cream, ginger. These are some of the benefits of ginger for the skin. Ginger fights acne because it has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and antiseptic properties, so it will leave your skin clean and free from dirt and bacteria that breeds acne breakouts. It is a natural skin lightening agent and it will fade acne scars and dark spots and diminish hyperpigmentation. It contains antioxidant elements that fight against free radicals that damage the skin. Ginger also improves the skin's elasticity, making it more firm and minimizing signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. It improves the general appearance of the skin by removing toxins and stimulating blood circulation. For this DIY facial cream, you will need ginger, honey, rosehip oil, and if you don't have that, you can use vitamin E oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, or any other oil that you like to use on your skin. And finally, aloe vera juice or gel. To start with, I am going to show you how to make fresh ginger juice and fresh pulp-free aloe vera juice or gel from scratch. Let's go. A clean peeled root of ginger. Put the grated ginger in a cloth and squeeze the juice out. Start by cutting the tip off and then cut off the spiky sides. Cut this into smaller sections so that you can easier manage it. This has two sides. One side is flat and the other one is a bit rounded, curved. So cut off the flatter side like this. This is what we want. This here is what we need. And then you can use a spoon to scoop it out, but I am just going to cut it out using a knife. Yes, this is what we need. Add a little bit of water to this, just a little bit, about 3 tablespoons. In a small bowl, put together 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, about a teaspoon of rosehip oil, and 2 tablespoons of fresh pulp-free aloe vera juice or gel. Mix and combine the ingredients together very well. For best results, use this cream at night and apply it directly onto clean skin. Massage it for about 30 seconds and leave it on for the rest of the night. To store this cream, transfer it into an airtight container and refrigerate it for up to 14 days.